Hi guys, it's great to see you again. By the way, I am Fa and today I will guide you to go through the Scalefusion dashboard, meaning what you can do using Scalefusion solutions. Let's go! As you can see, the first thing you will see is the Enroll Devices menu on the top. There are 4 types of enrollment, which are any Android device, iPad or iPhone, macOS and Windows. If any Android device enrollment, it is advisable to use Enterprise enrollment. For your information, usually devices that are now manufactured from 2020 are Android 11. So, Android Enterprise will only support Android 9 and above. Those under Android 9 will be discontinued soon. Also, you can select configuration here. Then it will come out with a QR code for you to scan. Next, as for the iPad, there are 2 types of enrollment, which are the latest iOS and older iOS. And stated there are steps you can follow. This also uses a QR code. So for macOS, we use Safari, and these are all the steps you can click here. Lastly is the Windows. You can follow the step based on which Windows you are in currently. Example, Windows 10 and above or Windows 7 or 8. So that's it about enrollment. Next is the Getting Started menu. We have 5 menus under this. If you click on the Getting Started wizard, it will show all the widgets. Android Enterprise Setup. You can enroll your device if you already have a dedicated Gmail, which means you will have a dedicated Play Store. Android Zero Touch has 2 types, namely Android Zero Touch Enrollment and Samsung Knox Mobile Enrollment. APK signing also if you have your own APK file which you have your internal apps. Next, for the Apple setup, we have set up the APNs. By the way, APN needs to be renewed every year. So you can see these steps. We have also set up DEP and VPP if we want to add our own steps. So that's all about Apple. Furthermore, it is for Windows. We have 2 types. The first is basic. You can follow the steps. Secondly is the AD setup. You can migrate to Microsoft Office 365 and just follow the steps, as well as Windows Autopilot is for you to streamline here. Finally, for the organization info, this is what you will see when you enroll the device, the terms and conditions. Meaning you can customize based on what your company wants. You can also preview from here to put your company logo and etc. Furthermore, the third menu is the DeepDive menu. This is for you to get quick and deep insights into the inventory and how they are being used. Other than that is to configure and choose what information the user wants to see. In DeepDive, there is a platform summary, inventory snapshot, license overview, device type, platform activated, and now there is 1 device under Android. So what you can do is that there is 1 device that is active. You can also see how much storage, available battery, and the violation overview. Under this, you can know about geofence breach, security incident, SIM swaps, password protected, and many more. Other than that, you can also know the data details about the data usage. Moreover is the devices menu. What you can see from here is the information about the devices location, and overview of the phone interface. You can also click setting and you can know about full device information, how to unlock the device, or many more. So if you click full device information, you can get all the information about the device. Besides, we have also enrollment configurations. There will be 3 types of enrollment: QR code configuration, user enrollment, and IMEI or serial enrollment. You can check out how to enroll in our first video to know more about it. Next, device profiles and policies. These are profiles of the devices. Here you can create restrictions. For example, if you click here, you can see all the kinds of configurations you can set. Furthermore, there's branding. Branding is where you can customize your company brand, such as a customized logo and many other things. Application management. Here you can see all the Scalefusion apps that are available. If you click on the Play for Work apps, the Apple App Store will have its own apps. So basically, for each device, you can customize the apps that may appear on the specific devices. If you want to publish, you can just click publish, and then the device will have the apps itself. Furthermore is utilities. These are all the utilities that are available: security incident settings, secure settings, clear files, copy settings, and many more. One of the most featured utilities used is broadcasting messages. So what you can do is create a message here and fill in the details. After you click the send message, you can see the message you made in this list. Next, grouping. There are many groups that you can create, and you can set all of these for whatever you want. Moreover is remote support. You can start a session and see what's happening with that device. This is similar with the Team Viewer feature. You can also make calls with the user to explain anything. Consequently is content management. In this, you can add any kind of brochure or flyers that you want to appear on any devices. You can publish anything, anytime. You can also view the file after you've added it to the devices. On the other hand is reports and workflows. In reports, there are many things that you can find out, such as data usage, location, account activities, remote mirror, and many more. For example, if you click on the device inventory, you can select all groups and then you can choose what you want to know about anything. Then you can download in the report. The files will be CSV files. In workflows, you can click edit and you can find out about battery life. For example, if the battery is less than 20%, you can send an email to tell the user to charge the phone now. In addition is integration. We have 3 types of integration. If you have a developer, you can use developer API. Other than that is SIEM tools. And the last one is on-prem APC. And lastly is the admin panel. First, you can add an admin. Then you can customize the roles and choose how long those roles can have access. We can set roles and permissions for each admin. It's easy, right? So that's all about Scalefusion dashboard. Finally, we have come to the end of the video, and that's all for a brief walkthrough of Scalefusion MDM that you need to know. If you have any questions, feel free to leave us a comment and stay tuned for our next video to learn more in depth about the interesting things you should know about Scalefusion. Thank you and have a nice day.